Back to my YouTube channel, man. Thanks for all the support that I've been getting so far. You know, I hit 1,000 subs a little while ago, and it's been videos trickling in here and there, but y'all been supporting the older videos, and I appreciate that because the watch time counts, man. You know, so when we get them watch times in, we can move on, and we can look towards getting monetized, and then, you know, we can all celebrate and all that other type of stuff. But I've been supporting a lot of people, so I appreciate the people support me. So anyway, let's just get to what we here for. You know what I'm saying? We are here for the unboxing of some shoes that came on the SNKRS app. Now, SNKRS app, always like trash SNKRS app, and I always say, hey, they ain't about nothing and whatever. I had a good run during like the COVID time and all, and I think everybody had a good run. But I had a good run, but then it just slowed down. And then I slowed down because, you know, we bought the house and everything. We just, you know, I don't need to spend money on shoes. I need to spend money on stuff for the house. So that's just using your noggin. So anyway, yeah, so kind of got back in the mix a little bit. So now I kind of jumped back in the SNKRS app, and now I'm starting to see like, wow, y'all not even the same. Y'all are worse. Y'all worse. Y'all the worst and worse. So I heard the little situation with the what's that called? There was somebody worked for Nike. Their son was like profiting off of them working there, and they were a high level person. I think they caught them up. I thought it was gonna get better, but it hasn't got better. So maybe that's their way of saying like, oh, that's not what was going on. But anyway, regardless, Nike, I still rock with y'all. I got stocks in y'all. Love y'all shoes. This shoe technically really kind of low-key ain't Nike, but it is Nike because they're on the Nike and they're on the sneaker apps and all that other stuff. But sneaker app, shout out to y'all. I got the notification. How'd I get it? I got it through SoulLink. So if y'all really sneakerheads and all stuff, tap into SoulLinks. If you don't get notification for sneakers, you might get one from SoulLinks, and I got one from SoulLinks. And actually, I take that back. It was on SoulLinks. I didn't get the notification for SoulLinks until later, but I got a post from Facebook from one of the sneaker apps I'm in that said, hey, check your apps and check this, check that. They are doing these shoes right now. And I said, all right, I'm gonna check it. I said, checked it, and man, I hit on these shoes that I really wanted for a long time. I wanted when they hit, when they dropped, but I couldn't get it. So I just let it go, man. You know, because it was in between the time I was getting the house and all that other stuff, but they came back around, man. Look at God. So let's check it out. Thumbnail. So you got the Jordan box, and I'm a 9.5 between a 10, 9.5 to 10. So we got that. Boom. So so size 10. So when I'm in the 10s, I'm usually on them shoes I'm not sure about, or I'm on some Jordan 6s. Hey, And the Carmine 6s, yeah, man, want them so bad. Hey, and the leather is so plush, so plush. Plush back here, plush in the front, suede. You got your, I'm not too favorable on these, but whenever when you pull these up, you get shorts on, and you get your pants. You want to put in the front, all black. Nike Air though, not no Air Jordan or nothing like that. All in the back. In the front, all white. Keep them clean. Red suede. Suede is super clean. White laces, original, real clean. You got that hang up right there. Red with the black. Underneath, you know. All right, so we real oh, black in the inner sole, black in the inner sole. This gel is super clean. It's like clear, but it's like not that dirty clear. Like you don't get it dirty, man. These are dope. I fanboyed somebody in the barbershop, man. I seen them in person finally, and they had them on in the barbershop. I don't know why, because to me, I wouldn't wear these in the barbershop because all the hair they'll get on them and you can't get them out. It's like glitter, but people say, oh, they blow off real easy. Okay, whatever. But man, these are dope. These are dope, man. Like I don't even know what I'm gonna wear with these. And man, let me just sit here. Leather, man. This is a win I'm happy for, though. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, Air Jordan 6, Carmine 6s. They came back around for your boy. Glad they came back around for your boy. Thumbnail. And man, oh, and the little, man, that little lace thing has Nike on it. It's just dope all around, man. I don't know what else I gotta say, man. You know what I'm saying? Bring the other one out. 'Cause these ain't getting sold. These ain't getting sold. They coming with your boy. It's like a trophy. Yeah, man. I gotta pose for the picture, man. Man. These are gonna get worn somewhere. And yeah, like I said, the dude I saw in the barbershop with him on, man, he looked like he just came from hooping or something like that. But and he had them on. I was like, oh man. And he came to the barbershop, about to get your cut. Whatever, man. I'm not wearing them to the barbershop. Getting hair all on them and all that type of stuff, but it is what it is, man. Hey, AJ6, man, I've been a fan of them lately. They've been going crazy, man, and they came back around for your boy, so appreciate that, Sneakers app, you know what I'm saying? Got a dub on that, and that's all I care for. Y'all probably don't think I care about it. I'm like, let me just let him get his AJ6s, but yeah, for real. I care. Anyway, again, man, unboxing. I'm keeping these AJ6s. Man, Nike Air, but Jordan was Nike. So, man, we in the game. All right, y'all, man. Till next time, I'll see y'all. Have a good one. Take care of each other, and